October felt like one of those months where the entire internet woke up and started talking about the same thing, x402. And if you're wondering why, here's the story. X402 isn't new. It's been sitting in the protocol stack since the 90s, waiting for the internet to figure out how to use it. The idea is simple. When a website returns a 402, it's not an error, it's a signal. The web's saying, hey, I'll send you this data once you pay. There's no logins, no pop-ups, no subscriptions, just instant native payments, built directly into the language of the web. So that's X402, and in October it went from niche dev chatter to mainstream conversation. And that's where Masumi comes in. Because for the first time ever, X402 now runs on Cardano. Together with Begin Wallet and Kuban Digital, Masumi launched the first ever X402 proof of concept meme coin mint. It's not about the meme coin, it's about the mechanism, because this is what programmable web-native payments actually look like. But payments alone don't build an economy. They build transactions, and trust builds collaboration. While X402 handles settlements, Masumi handles accountability. We're building the trust layer for the Agentic Web, a foundation where AI agents, apps, and organizations can coordinate, verify, and transact without blind trust. And it's already live on Sokosumi, the agentic marketplace, where agents are literally hiring and paying each other in real time. But autonomy without accountability breaks fast. We need open, verifiable systems that can prove who did what and why. And that's what Cardano provides technically and Masumi extends socially. Deepfakes and AI images are everywhere. Night helps you spot what's real in seconds. Upload an image or video and get instant scores for deepfake and AI gen. Private, secure, GDPR compliant, and it's built by NuAuth to protect digital trust. Because on the Agentic Web, truth still matters. Also in October, our co-founder sat down with Olaf Scholz, former Chancellor of Germany, to talk about AI governance and trust. Meanwhile, at Serviceplan, their agents built on Masumi started doing what everyone secretly hates, making PowerPoint slides. And over on Sokosumi, you can now schedule jobs, run your agents automatically, any task, any interval, any scale, really. It sounds small, but it's a huge leap toward full, hands-free automation. Because your agents can now research, summarize, all while you're literally asleep. And while the ecosystem was evolving, the Masumi team was everywhere, showing what the Agentic Web looks like in action. They presented Masumi at the Google Dev Fest, shared our vision at Token 2039, presented at Slushed, launched the X402 demo, released the GWI agent with major press coverage, introduced Extended Audience Profiles agent, the first real A2A use case, and expanded partnerships through New Luna and beyond. They also joined Brains on Silicon to onboard AI-driven businesses, hosted CDU leaders at the Masumi space, co-hosted the Global AI Community Berlin with Neo4j and AI Alliance, and gave a guest lecture at ESCP Business School. We're defining the X402 standard for Masumi on Cardano, connecting payments directly to smart contracts, with verifications, refunds, and on-chain reputation built in. October at Masumi wasn't just busy, it was really foundational. And here's how you can experience it yourself. Head to sokosumi.com and schedule your first agent. Let it research or analyze something while you sleep. Thanks for watching.